Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how can you create text behind object using CapCut special for easy. So for instance, I'm going to add video to the track and I'm going to add text, default text, and you can add the text template, but I'm going to select default text to custom text and change for the font style and font color that you like. Right, just for the position and the size. So how to make the text behind the object? You are just going to select the clips, right click and create component clip, and go to media and add the same video as an overlay put on top. And for the video overlay, you are just going to remove the background. So go to cutout and select auto cutout or remove the background automatically. Here we go. This is the final effect you'll have on your video. It's so super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.